Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, welcome back in the new video. In this video, we are going to take the 10th numerical based on function. So without wasting any time, let us start. So we have f of x is equal to log x minus 1 upon x. Show that f of y square is equal to f of y plus f of minus y. So let us start with the LHS. We have f of x as log x minus 1 upon x. So LHS, we have f of y square. So x is going to be replaced by y square. So log x will be replaced by y square minus 1 upon y square. Right? We'll take it as equation number 1. Now we'll start with the RHS. In RHS, we have f of y plus f of minus y. So we'll substitute x as y and here x as minus y again in the same function f of x. So f of y will be log of x minus 1, here we'll have y minus 1 upon x again will be replaced by y plus f of minus y. So log of for x will have minus y. So for x we'll write minus y minus 1 upon again we have x, for that we'll write minus 1. Next step. So log of y minus 1 upon y. Here in this part we can eliminate the minus sign by taking minus sign common for numerator and it will be cancelled with the help of denominator. So log, if we take minus sign common, minus y will become plus y, minus 1 will become plus 1 upon minus y as it is. So minus will be cancelled. So we have log of y minus 1 upon y plus log of y plus 1 upon y. And in LHS, we have log of y square minus 1 upon y square. So after solving this part, we need to get this term. Then only LHS will be equal to RHS. So we have two different logs and on LHS we have only one single log. So we can use the property log A plus log B. What is log A plus log B? The product rule of logarithm says log A plus log B is log AB. It means both the terms will be multiplied. So log AB, that is y minus 1 upon y into y plus 1 upon y. So let us multiply these terms. Since in fractions multiplication is done directly, so numerator into numerator will give you a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square, and in denominator we have y into y, that is y square. So the further step will be log of y square, 1 square is 1 upon y square. So if you check, this is exactly the same that we got in the LHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. So this part is proved. I hope friends you have understood this video. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe Ekeeda.